everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Alright, guess what time of year it is? It's my Sephora birthday haul. Yes, every year I treat myself to some goodies, mainly so I can pick up my free birthday gift. Plus my birthday's on December the 9th, which is right after Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So of course I have to take advantage of all of those sales and treat myself. Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive in and take a look at the goodies I treated myself to. If you're wondering why I'm looking a little crazy, it's because I'm only wearing about half of a full face of makeup because whatever's inside here is going to end up on my face. Alright, I've zoomed in so you can get a better view of the products that I purchased and will be trying on, since the majority of them are going to go around my eyes. So the first product I picked up is from SMASHBOX by BECCA. This is the old BECCA that SMASHBOX purchased. I don't think BECCA by itself is still around. And this is the iconic under eye brightening cream. If you follow me, thank you. If you're new, welcome. Feel free to like and subscribe. Those of you who follow me already know I'm in love with the Catrice under eye brightener. So why would I buy this one? Well, this is the OG and it was 30% off. And I really wanted to buy it last year, but it was not on sale. So this is what she looks like. Really beautiful. It's not metal. It might be a metal cap or a very nice plastic cap. And that is what she looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna need something under my eyes because I look a little crazy wearing foundation, but zero concealer. So we're just gonna swipe it under there. What I love about these products, and I've been going ham picking them up, I just like how they look on a day where you just need to run a few errands and you don't feel like putting on makeup. Swiping this under eye corrector is enough. Like, it covers the dark circles, or at least my dark circles, and it's not functioning as a concealer, but it does enough coverage where you look human. All right, next product. This was also 30% off, and I've heard really good things about it. And that is the LANCôME Tint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer. Now, I question how my online shopping capability was. Did I get a decent shade? So what shade did I pick this up in? Gonna need my little friend here. All right, I got this in the shade Buff Neutral. So cross your fingers for me. Through the bottle, it's looking a little dark. Ooh, but maybe, yeah, can you see it? No, because it's matching my skin tone. So normally I like to brighten under my eyes, but maybe, well, I've already swatched it. So if it doesn't work out, where to get this from? Sephora, they have a good return policy. Yeah, it's dark on camera, maybe not so much. Dark from the standpoint, this is looking darker than the foundation shade I would wear. But maybe, just maybe, it will look okay. I have a feeling I'm going to be going to Sephora soon. But let me know if you've used this before, and if so, what your thoughts are. Did I put too much on? Why am I seeing more wrinkles than normal? Is that from the BECCA or the Tint Idole, or maybe the combination of the two? Or did I just not get quite enough sleep last night? Okay, well, it's really hard shopping online. It's not a horrible shade, but it is a lot darker than I typically would wear. This next product was also 30% off, and that is the Lift and Luminous Baked Highlighter from Iconic London. Yeah, I bought something from Iconic London. I say that because every other product from Iconic London that I have in my collection, I've received via Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but I forget who. I saw somebody talking about it and they said it was spectacular. It was 30% off, so you know. Yeah, so yay, Iconic London. Okay, so has a mirror and it opens all the way up. I appreciate that. It says Iconic London in there. Let's take a little swatch and see what she looks like. Please don't be sparkly. Ooh. Okay. On camera, it looks like it has a little pink. In real life, it's more kind of a champagne with a subtle, well, I guess it's like a pinky gold or like a rose gold-ish. I can't describe it, but let's just see what it looks like on the face. All right, please be good and please explain to me why I decided to buy a highlighter. I own so many highlighters. Oh my goodness. What is up with this eye? It is like Wrinkle City down there. This one, not so much. Maybe just that eye is just having a bad day. All right, I got distracted. This is really, really, really beautiful. It's not sparkly, but it's giving a nice glow. It's blending into the skin beautifully. It's not leaving a big swipe or line. Yes. Okay. That was the one product I was a little, you know, I don't want to say worried about, but kind of after you click the button to put through with the transaction, you're like, why did I just buy a product from Iconic London? Because somebody said it was really good, and first impressions, I agree. All right, I'm going to pop off camera, do my eye look, and then come back and share the last product I purchased, plus my birthday gift, my 2 freebies, and what I picked up with 100 points. So this next product was 50% off, which was super exciting because I wanted to pick this up last year during my birthday haul, but it was sold out. And that product is from Urban Decay. This is the 24x7 Inks Liquid Eyeliner. It's the one that has that interesting top that's supposedly more ergonomic, but let's see if that makes it more difficult or easier to use. All right, so like that. So yeah, your fingers fit on there very nicely, but just because you hold it in front of yourself doesn't mean it's gonna work out well. So let's see how she does. Is this I think it's a felt tip. Don't quote me on that. If it is a felt tip, it's very fine and nice. Maybe it is a what do you call that, brush tip, but we're just gonna gently, oh, I already screwed up, that's on me. I always try to put a skinny line, but as soon as you kind of make a boo-boo, then the way to fix it is just go a little fatter. So try to match the width on both eyes. Yeah, first impression, feels nice in my hands. And for $14, that was the 50% off price. Heck yeah, I'm going to pick it up and give it a try. All right, now on to my free birthday gift. I was surprised there were only 3 options this year. And I want to say one was hair care. One was, I can't remember, skincare or something that did not float my boat. And then luckily the last one was something I was super excited about. That is this YSL perfume kit, which has one of the scents that I am really into lately, and I don't own it. I had a free little sample from, I don't know, Macy's or Sephora, which is the Black Opium. OMG, I loved it. So when I saw that this perfume kit had Black Opium, I'm like, yes, please. The other scents are Libre and Y. So let's open it up and see what the big one is. My luck, it's probably not going to be the Black Opium. Okay, so what a cute little packaging. This little itty bitty box. Is this the larger one? Even though it's a small. Yep, this is the larger one. All right, and this is real glass, so YSL is bougie even at the free sample level. Okay, so yeah, this is the Libre. Let's take a sniff. If I can figure out how this works. You pull or twist. Apparently not. Oh, did I break it? Okay, so I don't know if there's a spritzer and I broke it, or if it's old school where you go like this, but let's see, how am I going to do this? I have 3 cents to figure out, and I've noticed if you just kind of put your nose to the bottle it does not smell anywhere near as what it's going to smell like once it is on your body. It's one of those scents that's okay. And it may grow on me, but it's not my perfect scent, if that makes sense. But I don't hate it, so that's good. I will list on screen what the notes are because just smelling it, would not be able to explain to you what it is. Not super floral, kind of earthy, I don't know. I'm going to stop right there and grab the next perfume in the kit, which is, yay, the Black Opium. If you've never smelled Black Opium, I smelled it in store, and I want to say it really reminded me of my current favorite, which is from Jean Paul Gaultier, La Belle. Ooh, that is spectacular. And I'm already sad. Can you see that? It's not even all the way full. That's like a hair over halfway. Come on, Sephora. On my birthday with my favorite scent. This smells so good. All right, I'm not going to waste a spritz because I have a third one, which I've never smelled before, and I only have 2 arms. So this is the one just called Why. Wait, let me make sure this isn't like for men. Does it say? Of course not. All right. It's black packaging, which I love black. Hey, but just something about it makes me think it might be for men. Again, maybe that's the standard. It's almost at halfway, just a smidge above. Come on, YSL. All right. And honestly, all I'm picking up is this other scent, but let's see if I can aim properly. Ooh, that smells very fruity. Like citrus is going to be somewhere in there, I'm guessing. But again, notes on the screen. Yeah, so I got the YSL little perfume kit. Leave me a comment and let me know, do you partake in the free birthday gift? And if so, which one did you select? All right, now for the 2 free items you get when you make a purchase from Sephora. I saw this and I had to get it. It's another perfume sample. This is from Viktor and Roth, and this is Flowerbomb Midnight. Flowerbomb is one of my all-time favorite perfumes, but I've not smelled Flowerbomb Midnight. And I don't know if I'll be able to pick up on the scents because I have all these YSL scents going on, but let's give it a try. Maybe that's standard because this is slightly higher, but still it's barely above halfway full. All right, now all I'm picking up is YSL. Let's try the old paper trick. Oh, ricocheted into my face there. That on the piece of paper is giving very grandma scent. It's very floral. I'll just leave it at that. I will try this again when I don't have YSL lingering in the room and when it's on my skin and not a piece of paper. But let me know if you've smelled the Flowerbomb Midnight, and if so, what your thoughts are. I then picked up the CLARINS Total Eye Lift, which is just a little foil pack sample. And then the last item, I spent 100 points to pick up a product. But what I'm surprised about is there are actually 2 products. Or did I spend 200 points? I can't remember. Maybe I spent 200 points. So one of the products I picked up was from AMIKA. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I have used this before. It smells really good. I love the size for travel. And this is the one where I don't know if I used points or if this is like a bonus product. This is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I'm very curious. Yeah, I spent 100 points on this little itty bitty sample product, but I love toners, and I'm assuming the PHA BHA is to help exfoliate. That's a Lazy Girl 2-in-1 product, toner plus exfoliator. And if it smells like watermelon, that's even better. All right, that's everything I picked up from Sephora to treat myself to a birthday gift. Let me know if you also buy yourself birthday gifts or As I like to say, I use that as an excuse to buy more, particularly when there's so many sales going on. But yes, I am a shopaholic. I love makeup, and heck, it's my birthday. I should be able to buy myself a gift. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.